Man, can we finally open this level box? I'm dying to see what's inside of it. I've been driving around with this box in my truck for like 3 days now, building everything on the job site without a level. I think it's time to open it. All right, in our last Stabila video, we sent my old level off to see if it would be replaced by the factory under warranty. Now I have this box and I'm gonna find out if my old level is in here, which I hope it's not, or a brand new shiny yellow level. It smells like a new level. Feels like a new level. Woohoo! Reveal time. What is it? Oh no! It's my old level! What? No way!
Oh.
They must have made a mistake.
I don't know. Look at the bubble. Is the bubble fixed?
No! What? It's my old level. They didn't even fix it. What? They didn't even fix it. Wait, there's papers. Hold on, there's paperwork. Oh, man!
That was a
What a
total
letdown. What a letdown. Believe me, I was fully convinced in my mind that this was going to be a new level. Man, I paid $20 to mail this and get it mailed back to me? Crap!
You didn't put bubbles in it?
I would have been better off to throw it in the dumpster. That's cheaper.
What's it say?
All right, let's read the papers.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Got a crowd now. That was a lot of excitement.
Dang. Dear customer, warranty evaluation. Bent or damaged frames, void warranty. Moving parts are not covered under lifetime warranty. Moving parts? What the heck is a moving part?
Maybe a bubble's a moving part?
In the comment section, it says bent level voids warranty, causing vials to be inaccurate.
It is a little...
Your vial was gone.
Okay, there's a bunch of codes written on this paper. It tells you what is wrong with it. I'm showing not replaced L5. I can look down here. It says level not replaced L5 vertical frame bent.
Vertical frame.
Vertical frame. I don't even know what that is.
Let's cite the level on camera.
Okay.
Man, that's pretty straight. I don't know how that's bent.
What makes me not want to buy a Stabila?
We're gonna do our own straightness inspection here to another Stabila level, which we have deemed straight as well. And I'm gonna tell you, if this thing is bent, it's not more than like a thousandth of an inch. Yeah. I don't know. All right, we're gonna check the side to side bend in this thing as well. There's the top, middle, bottom. This thing might be bent a 32nd of an inch in the side to side, maybe.
But that's like not what, it's not the plane you use it.
All right, in closing here, I'm gonna say that I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get a new level, because this thing to me is not bent enough to matter. I guess they use a lot more precise instruments for checking for the straightness than I do. Maybe, I don't know. But, you know, I wish they could have at least just replaced this bad bubble. Maybe this is not serviceable. Maybe this thing is glued in there permanent. Maybe they can't just replace the one part. Or maybe they deemed this thing so inaccurate because of it being bent that it would be useless in putting a new level bubble in it. I don't know. You know, it would have made me really happy to get a new level. You know? Don't they want to make me happy? I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I love me, and my happiness is very important to me. All right, how much is this thing anyway? Do you know how much
it's like
these cost?
$140, $150 maybe.
I got a quick fix for you. Just epoxy this Milwaukee right here to the end.
Man, that's perfect. Fixed.
Whoa! Sweet, man! I found a new level!
Yes!
Man, I was dying to open that package. What a letdown.
So this